Well, welcome to the new project. It's a 1963 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A client of mine enjoys Karmann Ghias. Said if you could find one, let me know. So while I was at the 2024 New Hope Auto Show, this car was for sale in the car corral. Owner for the past 12 years who had the car restored. He provided over 200 pictures of the car's restoration. It's originally a Georgia car. What's true with just about any classic car, short of a pristine show winner, you're going to find some things wrong with the car. And while I was looking at the car, that turned out to be the case. We're going to enjoy the car a little bit, do some repairs, and let me take it from there. As you'll see, paint on the car is beautiful. It's got an upgraded cloth interior with red piping. The engine is actually a later model 1500cc single port. So while this car had the 12 or 1300cc 40 horsepower, really 36, this has a little bit more power. Additionally, the person we bought it from had the AM radio modified, rebuilt and modified, so that it actually is an AM FM radio by pushing the power button. It's a nice touch with a modern dual code speaker that's underneath the dashboard grille. Nice little unit, this car. Drove it, the car tracks straight, brakes well with the original drum brakes. Shifts nicely, the clutch is nice and tight. A nice driver quality car that's very pretty. Just a couple things we need to do to it. We've got a transmission leak we're going to solve. The pans underneath the floor, there is a little bit of corrosion. We've got repair panels for those. And other than that, we may do some things, other things to it. If you want to see more pictures of the car, as well as the description, and if you have an interest in buying it before we offer it, you can check out the link there and make an offer. I'll put the link in the description, and you're more than welcome to leave me comments or contact me directly. So stay tuned. We'll do a couple episodes with this. Haven't sold the 928 yet, my Project Risky Business, but this was a nice diversion from that. My client's mechanic is going to do the work on it. I'm going to follow him on this. So stay tuned for more, and I look forward to finding this a nice new home after we sort it a bit more. As I do this video, I am 40 people short of hitting the 3,000 subscriber mark. With over 90% of my viewers not subscribed, I'd ask you to consider subscribing. It costs you nothing. And at the very minimum, like and comment on this, as that helps the YouTube algorithm for other car enthusiasts to find my website and the project cars we're working with. I think you're going to find this is the first of the series where we find nice cars for sale that have a couple of issues that we could take care of, get those resolved so that the next caretaker has a carefree car that they can buy with confidence and trust to take to their favorite classic car event. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Get out there and drive. Thanks.